Here's where I took out this one, this one, this one, and of course this one, but then I put it back in. And then I stuck these clips in there. Okay. And then you can see these mud flaps that I got. I have a 1-inch spacer and a 3/4 inch spacer. Of course they can fall off. And I used M6. They're both 50 millimeters long. And of course you can see that clip is in there. And then you can see where it would mount up right there. Here is the template. I actually had to make 2 cardboard templates. And here you see it's mounted up. See the spacer back there.